All right, my name is Dennis LaGear. I'm here to talk about fire stream types and the HEN Wildland Nozzles. First, we're going to take a quick review of the common wildland fire nozzle designs currently fielded internationally. We have the simple smoothbore tip, the best you can get as far as reach and penetration. It's a nice solid stream. You can obviously pump it at lower nozzle pressures or higher nozzle pressures. You have a coverage issue. Some people try to put their thumb in the stream or somehow deflect the pattern, but you obviously can't get a good coverage pattern that's consistent. Here we have a fog nozzle. It's a combination fog nozzle. This actually adds an added complication. Whether it's 1.5 or inch, a lot of people don't realize that it's variable gallonage. So if you turn it all the way to the right, it actually turns itself off. Then you go back, this one's rated at 10 gallons a minute. You keep turning it back, you'll get to a 30 gallon a minute setting. The problem with this is it creates two different friction losses in the hose, so they're a little bit hard to pump consistently and get those two flow ranges, but it also, all the acceleration of the fire stream comes down here at the stem. So it makes a very high turbulent small droplet stream, even in straight stream, that's easily impacted by evaporation in transit to the flame front or blown away in the wind. So there really is no good wildland nozzle that has the ideal characteristics of the solid stream, but also some sort of coverage enhancement. So that's where the HEN comes along, the HEN bladed nozzle. In the tight mode, right? It's a smoothbore analog. It's a smoothbore analog in the tight mode, and you get a nice wind resistant, tight, hard hitting, good penetration. We've designed them at 100 PSI. This one's a 20 at 100 PSI. But in the blade mode, you get a nice thick sheet of water that has a concentrated edge, about 2 to 3 feet wide, 8 to 10 feet in front of you. You can work a really good wet line. You don't have to worry about pushing fuel from the burn to the green or vice versa. It's a nice linear, strong hitting line. It really holds up to fire. And we have another size. It's the 45 gallon a minute size, same tight stream. It's kind of close to a 3/8 inch tip in total flow, and the bladed stream. So you get a large droplet that's really wind resistant to being blown off target. And you get a tight jet solid stream of water for reaching up in the trees and canopies, and you get this bladed pattern, which we'll see in some videos elsewhere on the website, that's really good at working a wet line. So the more I think about it, the more I use it, and the more I see it being adopted, it's really a game changer type fire stream for the wildland industry.